Hi guys, my name is Helen and welcome to another video of Expressions, the DIY channel. Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well, and by the way, Happy New Year! I really hope this year gets better, not like the last year that was kind of crazy. But anyways, let's keep being positive, let's keep rocking in everything that you do and everything that makes you happy. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I got in Michaels since the first time I went there, and of course including my last visit. And the purpose of this haul is to show what I got in Michaels that I couldn't get in my country, or didn't know it existed, but I could probably get in my country. I won't take any prices because I don't even remember them, but I don't think it's necessary because probably the prices have changed a lot, who knows. And a short disclaimer before I start, I'll be mentioning the names of the products in English as well as in Spanish, so we can learn new vocabulary in both languages. Okay guys, no more preambles and let's get started. The first time that I went to Michaels, I remember that I fell in love with everything that I saw there. But of course I had in my mind to buy painting materials. So I bought this sketchbook, Blog de Dibujo y Pintura. I know it's big, it's XL, and also has many pages. Well, did have. I got excited when I saw it because in my country never have that size and volume, but now we do. By the way, the brand is Canson, and I was surprised because Canson is a very popular brand in Peru. Actually, all my sketchbooks back home are Canson. But let's talk about the pages. The texture is amazing, and it's because the weight is 300 grams. It means that it resists enough paint and water, and it's perfect for watercolors and paints. So I bought some watercolors or aquarellas to use on that sketchbook. This is a watercolor set, which brand is Crayola, a very popular brand in USA. I think what makes this set so popular is that thanks to the pigment of the colors, help to create beautiful landscapes. I can't believe it's been 8 years painting with Crayola watercolors. The first time I saw a Crayola set was at work on the cruise ship, painting with the kids. Then I decided to buy my own set. In my next visit, I bought more Crayola products, like this twistable crayon pack. These crayons have a different look because they're twistable. You can scroll up to start to color and scroll down to save them. Make sure not to scroll up that much because you might break it. I love these crayons because the different colors they have. Then I bought this Crayola set called Color Wonder or Maravilla de Color. Apparently this set has something special and wonderful according to its name. This set comes with a book full of white pages and 6 markers. Let's try. Wait, this is not the color. Probably once the tip touches the surface, the ink will come out. I know this is crazy because the paper is white and the markers don't have any ink, and that's the reason this set is called Color Wonder. Okay, next products are more Crayola markers. Sorry guys, but I really love Crayola. But this time I bought these cool and conventional markers just to paint. And this time the markers have ink, but as you know, Crayola always try to turn something simple into something wonderful. These markers come with this machine. This is an airbrush machine, Máquina de Aerosol, that turns your markers into airbrush paints. You just need to take the lid out, put it in, and press this handle down to hold the markers and turn the machine on. It comes also with some templates to practice. Then I bought these really nice markers. But why are they nice? Because they're brush paint markers. As you can see, they look like paint brushes from outside, but also from inside. They're perfect for lettering, and I'm still practicing because the lettering is not my thing, as you can see. And last Crayola products is this oil pastel set, Óleos Pasteles. They look like crayons, but these are oil pastels, perfect to use for painting. Long time ago, my cousin gave me this drawing using oil pastels. Beautiful, right? I prefer to use them on color spoon to shade the characters. In the next visit, I was looking for a watercolor set, but of course with more color variety. So I got this watercolor pan set. En español sería una paleta de acuarelas. This pan set has 36 colors. What a huge variety. It has also a pan to mix the watercolors and a hanger. The brand is Artist Love. Then I bought some Sharpies or marcadores marca Sharpie to start to create mandalas. This is my first Sharpie set with 12 colors. Then I bought black Sharpies in different sizes. Then I bought an individual Sharpie with my favorite color and has 2 tips. Then I bought this essential set for decoration that has gold, silver and bronze color. In my next visit, I decided to take a break from painting and get into the craft zone. So I bought this craft set con materiales de manualidades. It comes with pipe cleaners, pom-poms in neon colors, and jiggling eyes with different sizes. This pack with 24 felt sheets, láminas de paño Lenzi with assorted colors. I bought a colorful ball of wool, ovillo de lana de colores. This was a big colorful ball of wool that I decided to separate the colors in different yarns. I found some cool craft decoration like this jute ribbon that I used it for the very first time in this video. Then I bought these beautiful stickers that look like buttons and these acrylic pink markers from Craft Smart, the ones that you have seen in most of my videos, especially the gold one. Let me tell you, since 3 years ago, or actually since I visited Europe, my art size has changed a lot. And now I decided to put all my energy in jewelry making. And that's how I created my jewelry shop, Expressions the Gift Shop. In 2020, I came back to USA and I had the chance to visit Michael after a while, but my shopping was completely different. I bought this jewelry tool set de herramientas de joyería. This set comes with 3 pliers and a pair of tweezers, plus this nice bead organizer. This thread sap, quemador de hilo o alambre. As the name says, this is used to burn, melt or twin the wire, especially for the finishing bead waving. This is a micro engraver, grabador. As the name says, it's used to carve metal, glass, wood and ceramic. It comes with these 2 pieces. And these colorful beads, I know that in my country I could find them for cheaper price, but I never seen this cool combination before. Last year I had the chance to go back to USA, and of course I have more time to visit at least 3 different Michael stores. And I got interested with the resin products, especially the ones for jewelry making. So I bought these UV molds, moldes de resina UV. I love these molds because they already have the stick where the earring posts go. And also because they have different designs like these ones for hoops and filigree. The brand is Blue Moon Studio. I bought these 2 recyclable round canvas, lienzo circular hecho con material reciclable to paint mandalas. I bought this candle, una vela, with a nice smell, plus a decorative can for a very reasonable price. And last but not least, this cool board, una pizarra, with extra letters and numbers to create nice phrases. Of course, I placed the name of the channel. So guys, what do you think about this haul? You already knew about this product, so you already have them in your country? Please let me know. Hope you find this video useful, as well as you have learned some English and Spanish vocabulary. Do you know that one of the benefits to travel the world or to visit new places is that you can learn something new? My experience was that I went to Michael's and I learned new English words related to art materials. See, that's a good opportunity to learn English or any other language. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video and see you in my next video or in my previous video. Please take care of yourself and see you next time. Ciao!